Xin chào mọi người, mình là Thu Thuỷ, giáo viên đến từ The IELTS Workshop. Hôm nay mình và các bạn sẽ cùng nhau giải đề IELTS Speaking Part 1, chủ đề Housework and Cooking. Okay, let's get started. Question number 1. Do you do some cooking or help your family to cook at home now? Well, I do help my mom with some cooking, but as an assistant only. Because I'm not really experienced in cooking actually. So I just do some prep work like rinsing the vegetable, peeling the fruit, or like something like that. Question number 2. Do you think your home is tidy and clean? Yes, I often try to make sure that my house is clean and organized. I want it to be safe and non-hazardous for all my family members. So every morning I clean my house, I wipe out every surfaces regularly and try not to let things pile up. Question number 3. Do you have breakfast at home every day? Definitely yes. It is said that the best way to live is to breakfast like a king, to lunch like a prince, and to dine like a pauper. And you know, it provides you with the energy and also the necessary nutrition to get you through to the lunchtime and also boost your efficiency throughout the day. Question number 4. What kind of housework do you like or dislike doing? I honestly love cleaning the bathroom. I don't know why, but I feel so satisfied seeing the toilet bowl spick and span. And you know, I just obsessed with cleaning their bathroom, the comfort room. And however, I hate doing the dishes because I find it so boring and exhausting. Question number 5. Do you want to learn how to cook? Well, certainly. Since you know, cooking is a survival skill that everyone should learn. Ever since I was a little girl, cooking with my mom in the kitchen has been a great interest of mine. Vậy thì mình và các bạn vừa cùng nhau tìm hiểu 5 câu trả lời mẫu cho phần IELTS Speaking Part 1, chủ đề Housework and Cooking. Hy vọng là các bạn sẽ học được nhiều từ vựng cũng như là cấu trúc hay từ những câu trả lời này nhé. Trong năm 2023 này, nếu các bạn có dự định học IELTS, hãy để The IELTS Workshop trở thành tri kỷ IELTS của các bạn nhé. Và mình là Thu Thủy, giáo viên đến từ The IELTS Workshop. Bye bye!